I'm a strong believer of being innovative, using things that are predominantly ours, our own, for our benefit. Now, if you look at these things I'm uploading now, you would see that sage. The first picture was a sage, and the next picture is what we call urimo or urimu. Now, it could have another language. It can be called something else in your own language, but in my own people call it urimu or urimo. So what we basically, just like the sage, people use the sage to basically, clear and purify their energy. It's the same thing that we do here using this uri or urimo. Basically, we get it from ukwonkwo. This unku tree, it has so many commercial and spiritual use. You use it to get our unkwenu, use it to get, even this particular urimu, they can actually use it to do what we call ntongo. Now, ntongo can be used to cook things like okwa, abacha, in replace of akamu, because people found out that akamu usually make people to purge. So ntongo becomes like a viable and a safer produce to use instead of using akamu. But spiritually, we use this urimu to basically purify our energy, purify our space. And this urimu, basically, you have to burn it a lot, even to an extent, because the stories or the information I've gathered about this particular urimu is that we use it to chase out negative energies, especially witches, amosu. I say, if you're having problem with amosu na choge, you can always use this urimo or urimu to basically chase the amosu spirits away. Now, I've actually seen them use this urimu to basically purify the space or ihumo or shrines. They will bring down this urimu and basically burn it like a sage. Now they're using it to, some say they energize the deity, some say they use it to basically chase out any negative energy that is basically trying to prevent supplicants from getting their request, and other stories around it. Just like our otangele, our uli, all those things, we seem to just ignore them against Western produce. Otangele now, people are no longer using it, and it's very medicinal for your eye, but people are now ignoring it and basically using the black eyeliner and the uli. People are now going for tattoos or for the Hausa henna. So as Igbos, I strongly believe that we should start looking inwards and start using the things that Igbo produce, things that are made out that we use or we can get from our farms. And this urimu now is literally everywhere. Once you're in Igbo land, once you're in your village, you can literally see it everywhere. It's not even costly. It's very cheap to get. But if you need to get a sage, you'd have to import them. So I think we should just drive home and start using home products, especially this urimu. And you can even rebrand it, and it will be good to be modernized, and it could also become a commercial product for us.